Well, egads, while you were servicing the backup camera on this Ford truck, you accidentally broke the pin on the emblem. And now it's all jiggly. It's gonna fall off on the road. Maybe. Probably not, but maybe. That's no good. What are you gonna do? Are you gonna order one from Ford for 40 bucks? Or are you gonna go to the junkyard and lift one? Are you gonna steal one from the dealer at night? Are you gonna super glue this on there and leave it at that? No. No, you're not. Here we go. This side is tighter than this side now. I should almost break that side and do it on both, but I won't. Have a good one.